Yo, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's trade recap video where I'm going to go over the different trades that I took today, why I took them, the setups, all that good stuff. So first trade I took today was on Netflix for the all-time high break. So go to Netflix. We've had a crazy week, 2 weeks here, just all green here, except for that one red day, right? We broke out of this and just crazy mover. So we're watching for the all-time high break at 593.29. And yeah, so basically, if you pull this up on the 1 minute here, we pushed up, got rejected, and then I entered down here for the break of that all-time high and entered right around here, pushed up, saw we were getting rejected, sold on this candle, figured I could enter off this support here if we got a bounce. But yeah, pretty solid trade, just $85 on that scalp, super quick trade. Would have loved to see this thing keep going because these contracts are moving super nice, but all good. That's the only trade I made on Tesla. I was watching for this break then, but just nothing clean came out of it. So the next trade I took was on Shopify. So Shopify, we were watching on the 4-hour chart for the break above this resistance line here that got rejected here, and kind of getting held below there. And we exploded through that resistance line, and I wasn't able to catch it. This would have been insane to catch this move. But what I did was I waited for this pullback, and then I got in right here and then sold on this push for $160 on that. So it's just a quick 1 minute trade, $160, and traded limit orders because the spreads are ginormous, a couple $100 spreads on this. So gotta be careful about that. And then I took another trade on Shopify later. I saw we were kind of forming this wall here. So I got in here for the break of that wall, and we pushed up a crap ton. It was up a couple $100 at one point, and I knew if it could break 1575 that we'd see a big push up. But what I did up here is I just set my stop at break even, and I got stopped out right here. So it ended up rallying like crazy, and contracts pushed up 100%. So I missed out on that move, but didn't lose any money, just got out break even on that. Another trade I took today was on Tesla. And this is actually the last trade on the day, but this is a separate pattern. I was watching this and I didn't actually play this. This would have been a really good move up to 740, but I didn't play that. The play I played on Tesla was, so we were kind of forming this Tesla and NVIDIA like to do this off the open, where they get really tight off the open here, and form a symmetrical triangle, and then when it breaks that either direction, you get a really nice pop. So I got in right here on the break. I struggled for a second there, and then it popped up. I held, came shooting up here, started to show some rejection. I got out for $8 there. So another solid quick scalp, nothing crazy, but overall came out of the day $323 up. Pretty solid. Just gonna try to stay consistent. Tomorrow's Friday, so looking to size down quite a bit. Played super safe, get some scalps. If we get $100, $200 tomorrow, just end the week on a green note, I'd be very happy with that. Not gonna be swinging for the fences. We've grown just on this scalping account, not including swings or anything, up $1,200 on the week. So just gonna try to stay consistent and the week strong, and then go into next week and continue pulling money out of the market and just staying consistent. So gonna try to have as many just green days as possible, and then continuing to size based off of the daily, being ready to like size up when I feel comfortable, and being okay with sizing down when I'm not, and also just properly executing trades and making sure my stop loss is set in the right spot. Like, I really like to use a prior candle low as a stop. So like, it just allows me to run, let it run, you know? So like, if I'm gonna get in here for this Tesla trade, my stop is below this candle. So it's like about a 1-to-1 risk to reward there on a scalp. Same thing with Shopify. Like, I got in here on this candle for a quick bounce play because I knew this thing had momentum above 1560. My stop was literally below this candle. So my risk to reward was perfect, you know? So Netflix as well, you know? Just like entered on this candle. The second this candle opened, if I didn't take profits and I wanted to leave a runner, stop would be below this candle. So just like keeping those tight stops, super important to me, because I'm not like a home run trader. Like, I like to take my very consistent, $100, $200 wins and just stack them up over time. And then as the account grows, I will continue sizing up and pulling larger winners out, right? But overall, pretty happy with how the week's going so far. And I will see you guys tomorrow for the trader recap.